You're gonna post somewhere?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh!
So, yeah.
I will be famous. Okay, now bring your bowl to hot oil this way.
Good morning. Today is a different experience. Today I am going out on my own to go do a Thai cooking class. I'm pretty excited to learn how to make some fun Thai dishes. So stay tuned, it's going to be exciting. Okay, so these are the options that you had to choose from. What you're going to cook. Here's the kitchen area. Look what I just did, you guys. Pad Thai.
Like this.
Oh. So this is called lob. I've never had it before, but I'm excited to try it. I think you eat it on the leaf just like we did with the welcome treat that we ate at the beginning. So let's try it.
Spicy Christmas. When they get good smell, then you turn off the gas fast because they burn easy as well. One person, two sister, and the rest of the team. You're gonna post somewhere?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh!
So, yeah.
I will be famous. Okay, now bring your bowl to hot oil this way.
All right, so here's my fried banana. I think they turned out pretty good. Now it's just trying to find Thai bananas when I go back to America. Anybody have any suggestions? These look yummy. I'm going to show you how the cooking process is, since I didn't want to do it when I was cooking. You mix up this batter, and you just fry them up. Oh, yours cooked fast.
They did. And I had to
Must
turn
be
it
hotter.
down. Yeah, it's probably still warm enough when you did it.
Yeah.
But yeah, yours did seem to take a really long time.
Mine are going to be oil logged.
Hope not.
But yeah, yours turned out good. Okay, so the master chef, you mix up this batter and then you slide the banana into the hot oil.
And the second bowl must be at 1 scoop, enough because
Okay, deep fried banana.
one more sugar.
The sprinkle of coconut on top. Okay, so our last thing, we made our paste for our massimon, and now we are making the massimon curry. Tastes delicious. Now it just needs to boil. I'm told that normally when you make it, it needs to cook for an hour, but we don't have that, so we're letting it cook fast. Boiling it nice and hard. Excited to eat it. We have several different curries going on at the same time.
Pour the curry inside the bowl, and the topping is hot now.
Okay, and the final thing we're making is the soup. This is a coconut base. Chicken and tomato and onion. Lots of other yummy stuff.
Okay, now shrimp team at shrimp. Okay. Red panang masaman. Rice red.
Okay, so here are my new friends that we made at the cooking class at Asia Scenic. What'd you guys think? Was it fun?
Great. Really good.
Would you recommend somebody to come?
Highly recommend it, yeah.
Yes, it was so...
Even the guys that can't cook.
You did fabulous. So much food, huh? Like, as you can tell, we're all leaving food behind because it was just too much. For the price that we paid to come, well worth it. So there you have it from everybody, not just me. Remember, you got this.